how to check AirPods battery percentage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily check your AirPods battery percentage. For that, you'll need to connect your AirPods and your iPhone. You can go to your settings and then tap on Bluetooth. You can toggle on your Bluetooth, and when you find your AirPod, you can just tap on it. So my AirPods are already connected. Now to see the battery, you'll need to tap on the eye icon beside the AirPods name, and there you'll be able to see the battery percentage. So the AirPods show 97% battery, and the AirPods box shows 100% battery. So that's it. It's as simple as that to check AirPods battery percentage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.